What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm trying to do videos as much as I can. Today's video is gonna do a little gutter cleaning. We started yesterday. This is the building that we're doing. It's up there. Just checking in. Make sure you guys subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos of me working. Stay tuned. We're gonna set up and finish what we started yesterday. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna be doing gutter cleaning. I'm already on top of the roof if you guys can't see. Check out that view. Today's video, we're gonna be doing the gutters here. As you guys can see, we kind of started yesterday. What I did, started digging out all that dirt because there's too much to power wash off. See how bad it is? See the grass growing? That looks pretty cool. Anyways, obviously they called us today to get all this off the gutters. Let me show you the other side. So we're gonna be power washing this side. I'm gonna start on this side, and then my helper is gonna be finishing off the dirt, taking off all the mud. If you guys can't see, so we got all that yesterday. He did this side, I helped him out. But yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna do a time lapse. We haven't been recording. I haven't been recording, like I said before. It's just I don't want to invade my client's privacy. But today's a good video, so stay tuned. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. We did 2 big gutters. And on the other side, we did a quick time lapse. We try to do as much as we can and record it, share it with you guys. Let us know what you guys think. Comment down below. Make sure to subscribe. Hopefully we can bring more videos to you guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.